At first glance, everything looked good, but under the surface, there were some simple mistakes which were killing their campaign performance. Before you spend another dollar on Facebook or Instagram ads, watch this video. Because the way your campaigns are structured could be the reason they are underperforming. How you can avoid these mistakes in your meta ads. Everyone, welcome back to the channel Take It Social. I'm Sakshi Srivastava, your meta ads expert. So the campaign which I reviewed was a storage container company of Canada. And when I saw the campaign, one thing was clear that their goal was to get leads from different locations. So how they structured their campaign was like first campaign was made for the platform Instagram and second campaign was made for the platform Facebook. Under the Instagram campaign, there were 5 ad sets with different locations, and same was with the campaign Facebook. There were 5 ad sets with the same location. And inside every ad set, they used the same image, same headline, and same ad copy. So at first this type of campaign might look organized, that there is a separate campaigns for both the platforms, but there is a problem in the structure. First problem is they were using same ad creative for all the ad sets, which leads to creative redundancy. Creative redundancy is when you use the same ad image or same video for all the ad sets, people keep seeing those ads and videos again and again, which leads to ad fatigue and engagement goes down because of that. It's like seeing the same billboard at every street. One day you will stop noticing it. This is called as ad fatigue and this kills the engagement. Now the second problem is separate campaigns for FB and Instagram. Running separate campaigns might sound organized, but it kills the meta's ability to learn. Instead of combining your data into one strong campaign, you are spreading it thin, which leads to limited learning and poor optimization. So, here's what I recommend if you are in a similar situation: do these things to make your campaign perform better. First thing, combine platforms. Run one campaign for both Facebook and Instagram. Let Meta decide where to show your ad based on your performance. It's smarter and more efficient. Second is rotate ad creatives. It is very important to keep changing your ad creatives, like using a simple short video or using a very engaging hook line in the another image or video. This will keep your audience engaged and it will prevent the ad fatigue. So if you are running ads on Meta, don't just look at the ad creative, look at the whole structure of your campaign. Maybe one simple mistake is destroying the ad results. Look out for these important points. Is your campaign too complex? Are you unnecessarily duplicating the things? Are you letting Meta learn and optimize your ad properly? At last, I would like to say that if you are seeing anything in your account and you think that your campaign and your account needs audit, reach out. I am happy to help. That's it for the today's video. Me, Sakshi Srivastava, signing off. Let's meet in the next video where I will be sharing more insights about the meta ads and some more exciting case studies which will help your meta ads to grow. So see you. Bye bye.